All those people asking about what is going to happen, does the market continue to move? Well, we are at a critical point on the weekly Bitcoin chart as to exactly what could happen in the coming week. Do we see some more positive movement up, or are we about to see the price sink back down? All of that and some interesting news coming out of Shiba Inu that you guys want to watch till the end of this video. And if you want to grab yourself some Shiba Inu, head over to Bexy using the link in the description. Get yourself 10% off your trading fees, as well as supporting this channel out. Now, be sure to subscribe and all that good stuff, but let's get into it. So here we go. We're on the weekly Bitcoin chart. We currently went into a new day here in the UK, and you can see this is the FTX collapse here. So back in the 7th of November, this was the big FTX collapse, and we've consolidated and traded sideways until this week currently that we've just finished, where we've seen an explosive move up in the market. Now, we tested the 21s again. It's about 4 times we tested it yesterday and was rejected. Now you can see this important level. We've got 21,050. It keeps getting rejected, and this is a big moment. If we break this 21,050 resistance and come down to test and bounce off, then we could be in for a very strong week, anywhere up to 22 to 24k Bitcoin, and with that, the rest of the market would start to move. Now you can see there's a lot of red in the market. Like I said, we have just gone into a new day here in the UK, but everything is almost sat anticipating, waiting to see what's going on with Bitcoin. Now the problem we are is we're in the weekend, which is retail investment. This isn't big institutional money, so we're gonna have to really see what happens. But 21,050 is the point in which I'm looking for us to come back down, test, and then we see a big move heading on up to that 50-day EMA on the weekly. But we're still away from that, which tells me we're not into this kind of parabolic run just yet, but a very strong candle on the week. Now getting into the SHIB news, and we take a look currently at the SHIB price, just down 1.64%, but you can see starting to mint a incredibly strong candle on the week. Likewise, if we go a bit nearer on the hour, always worth seeing what's going on. You see we have got a positive trend. Now we did see this big sell-off early on yesterday morning, as we saw in most of the market. We actually saw it in Terra Luna Classic, and we saw it in SHIB. Big whales selling off to increase their position in Bitcoin. We can see that by the fact that Bitcoin dominance moved up by 41.2%, so a significant step on from the previous day, about 40.6. So we can see that both in Luna Classic and SHIB, that both had big runs up, massive whales selling. Now what we are then seeing is an accumulation to come back into it, on the basis that we also have some big burn news for Shiba Inu, up 5,500%, burning 13.6 million SHIB. Now it's one of the big things that's always held SHIB back is the amount of supply. It never built in to the contract a mechanism to burn SHIB. Now everybody's anticipating Shibarium, but the view is that Bone will be the main token used on that, but it will burn SHIB. So it's a huge catalyst for SHIB. Now the goal of burning is to reduce the circulating supply and the coin to a degree and ensure the price rises, since burning makes cryptocurrency more scarce. Pushing the SHIB price towards $1 or at least 1 cent is the dream of the Shiba Inu community. And you can see there the chart on the burn rate over the last 24 hours. But more importantly, we did actually get this. And again, remember, cryptocurrency is driven on positive sentiment. It says SHIB outperforms WBTC whales by more. Shiba Inu Whale Stats wallet tracker published a tweet which stated that the second biggest meme crypto by market capitalization value wrapped Bitcoin on Ethereum chain for the position of the asset most traded by the biggest ETH whale. Now we've seen this happen a number of times, and actually when you then correlate that to the chart, we sort of absolutely see where this is taking place. But it says here, adjusting SHIB token flipped WBTC for the most traded token among the top 100 Ethereum whales. Check the top 100 whales here, which is whalestats.com, and hodl BBW to see data for the top 5,000. Now, pretty crazy. At the moment, SHIB is also sitting in the top 10 list for assets owned by ETH whales, holding the 8th position, and it's also the 10th biggest asset by trading volume. So what does that mean? Well, it means that the money is holding SHIB. They are absolutely expecting a huge pump on the back of the Shibarium news. Now, again, we don't have dates for that, but as and when that comes out, I'm going to let you know, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. But Shibarium is the biggest catalyst for Shiba Inu right now. It could be the thing that sends SHIB absolutely parabolic like we saw last year. At the same time, if it comes out and doesn't deliver, then we could really see SHIB struggle in terms of a price movement. Right now, the sentiment feels positive. A lot of people are starting to talk about Shiba Inu again, and the whales are accumulating. It says they are holding a total of $81.2 billion worth of SHIB, and absolutely 4 times smaller according to the whale stats of WBTC. So whales are holding Shiba Inu token. They're expecting a big move, and we could absolutely see that in the coming days or even weeks with the market sentiment. As ever, stay up to date with everything going on in crypto by subscribing to this channel, and leave a like and a comment on this video. Remember, we don't ask you for anything other than subscribe, leave a like. Have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.